English on the Way, the fun and easy way to learn English. I'm Charles.
And I'm Rachel. Hi, everyone. We are so happy to be here with you today. I am feeling very energetic.
That is great, Rachel. I am feeling good too. I have my coffee, and I am ready to talk.
Coffee is important. But before we start our conversation, we have a small request for our lovely listeners.
Yes, if you like our podcast, please click the like button right now. It helps us reach more people who want to learn English.
Exactly. And if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel. We share new episodes every week to help you improve step by step.
And don't forget to share this with your friends or family. Sharing is caring.
Perfect. So, Charles, what is our big topic for today?
Today, we're talking about something very useful. We're talking about how to describe your day in English.
Oh, that is a fantastic topic. It is something we do every single day.
Exactly. When you meet a friend, they often ask, "How was your day?" or "What did you do today?"
And sometimes we don't know what to say. We think our day is boring or normal.
But even a normal day is full of great English words. Talking about your routine is the best way to practice.
I agree. It builds a highway in your brain for the words you use most often.
So let's start at the very beginning of the day. Rachel, what is the first thing you do?
Well, my alarm clock rings at 6:30 in the morning. Beep, beep, beep.
6:30. Wow, that is early. Do you get up immediately?
No, I never get up immediately. I stay in bed for 10 minutes. I wake up slowly.
I understand. There's a difference between waking up and getting up, right?
Yes, wake up means your eyes open. Get up means your feet hit the floor.
That is a good way to remember it. I wake up at 7, but I don't get up until 7:15. I like to check my phone first.
I think many people do that. So after you get up, what is next?
I go to the kitchen and make coffee. I cannot start my day without coffee. The smell makes me happy.
I love that smell too. For me, the next step is a shower. I take a cold shower to feel awake.
A cold shower? Oh no, I prefer warm water. You are very brave, Rachel.
It is hard at first, but then I feel like a superhero. After my shower, I get dressed.
Get dressed. That is a good phrase. It means putting on your clothes. I usually wear jeans and a t-shirt.
I spend a lot of time choosing my clothes. I like colors. Then I eat breakfast.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have eggs and some fruit. And tea. I am a tea person.
I eat toast with butter. It is quick and easy. After breakfast, I brush my teeth.
Me too. Brushing your teeth is very important. Then I leave the house.
Do you go to work by car?
No, I take the bus. I like the bus because I can listen to music or podcasts.
That is a great use of time. I walk to my office. It is a short walk, about 15 minutes.
Walking is good exercise. It helps your brain prepare for the day.
It really does. When I arrive at work, I say hello to my colleagues. Then I check my emails.
Checking emails is a big part of the morning for many people. Is your morning usually busy?
Yes, it is often very busy. I have meetings and I talk on the phone. Sometimes I feel a little stressed.
When you feel stressed, what do you do?
I take a deep breath. I tell myself, step by step, Charles, you can do it.
That is a great mindset. Step by step. We say that a lot to our English learners, too.
Exactly. You don't have to do everything at once. Just focus on one thing.
That is true. At noon, I have my lunch break. I usually eat a sandwich or a salad.
I love lunch breaks. I usually go to a small cafe near my office with a friend. We talk and laugh.
Talking with friends is the best part of the day. It makes the day feel special.
It does. After lunch, I go back to work. The afternoon is usually quieter for me.
I like the afternoon. I finish my main tasks and start planning for the next day.
What time do you finish work?
I finish at 5 p.m. Then I take the bus back home.
When I finish work, I often go to the gym. I like to move my body after sitting at a desk all day.
You are very healthy, Charles. I usually go to the supermarket on my way home. I need to buy food for dinner.
Shopping for food is fun, but sometimes it is crowded.
Yes, but I like looking at the fresh vegetables. When I get home, I take off my shoes and relax for a moment.
Take off your shoes. That is the best feeling after a long day.
It really is. Then I cook dinner. I find cooking very relaxing.
I am not a good cook, so I usually make something simple like pasta.
Pasta is delicious. While I eat dinner, I sometimes watch a show on TV or a video on YouTube.
In English?
Sometimes in English, it is a good way to learn new words without effort.
Exactly. After dinner, I wash the dishes. I don't like it, but it must be done.
I agree. No one likes washing dishes. After that, I have some me time.
What do you do during your me time?
I read a book or I practice a hobby. Lately, I'm learning to draw.
That is wonderful. Hobbies are so important for our happiness.
They are. Then, around 10 p.m., I start getting ready for bed. I put on my pajamas.
I do the same. I try to stay away from my phone before sleep. It helps me sleep better.
That is a very good tip. The light from the phone keeps the brain awake.
Before I close my eyes, I do something very special. I think about my day in English.
Oh, like a mental journal?
Yes, I say in my head, today was a good day. I went to work, I saw my friend, and I ate pasta.
That is a powerful tip, Charles. It is exactly what we talked about in our other episode, training the brain to think in English.
It is. Even if the sentences are simple, you are building that English highway.
And it is private. No one can hear your mistakes. It's just you and your brain.
Exactly. It gives you confidence. Then I go to sleep and dream. Maybe in English.
Dreaming in English is a sign that you are becoming fluent.
It is a great feeling. So, Rachel, we just described a whole day. We used many common verbs.
We did. We used wake up, get up, make coffee, take a shower, get dressed, eat, leave, work, relax, and sleep.
Those are the building blocks of conversation. If you can say these things, you can talk to anyone.
And notice how we connected the sentences. We used words like first, then, after that, and finally.
Those words are like glue. They hold your story together.
Let's look at a short example. First, I wake up. Then, I make coffee. After that, I go to work. Finally, I come home.
Simple and perfect. You don't need complex grammar to tell a good story.
Exactly. The most important thing is to be clear.
Rachel, do you think people are afraid to talk about their day because they think it is not interesting?
Yes, I think so. But here is a secret. People don't care if your day is exciting. They just want to connect with you.
That is so true. Small talk is about connection, not information.
When you say, I had a busy day, your friend can say, me too. And now you are sharing a feeling.
That is beautiful. English is a tool for connection.
So don't be afraid to share the small things. I saw a cute dog today is a great English sentence.
It is, and it starts a conversation. What color was the dog? Was it big or small?
See, one simple sentence leads to many more.
We also talked about emotions today. I felt stressed. I felt happy. I felt tired.
Adding feelings to your story makes it more real. It helps people understand you better.
So, if you are learning English, try to describe one part of your day every day.
Just one part, maybe just your morning routine.
Or just your lunch break. Start small. Remember, step by step.
Step by step. Believe in yourself. You are doing a great job just by listening to this.
You really are. Every minute you spend listening or thinking in English is a win.
I feel very inspired now. I want to go home and describe my evening to my cat.
Your cat is a great listener, Rachel. She won't correct your grammar.
Exactly. It is the perfect practice.
Okay, everyone. Before we finish, let's do a very quick recap of our best tips for talking about your day.
Good idea. Tip number 1. Use simple verbs for your routine like wake up, eat, and work.
Tip number 2. Use glue words to connect your sentences, like first, then, and finally.
Tip number 3. Don't be afraid to talk about small things. Everything is good practice.
Tip number 4. Include your feelings. Were you happy, tired, busy?
And tip number 5. Practice at the end of the day by thinking about what you did in English.
Those are wonderful tips. I hope they help our listeners feel more confident.
I am sure they will. Learning English is a journey, and we are so happy to be on this journey with you.
Yes, we are a team. You, me, Rachel, and everyone listening.
It is a global team of English learners. How cool is that?
It is amazing. Okay, friends, we are coming to the end of our episode.
Time flies when we are having fun.
It really does, but we want to hear from you.
Yes, we have a question for our listeners. Tell us in the comments, what is the best part of your day?
Do you love the morning coffee? Or the relaxing evening? Or maybe your lunch break?
Please write it in English in the comments below. We love reading your stories.
And if you make a mistake, don't worry. We are all learning together. Mistakes are just proof that you were trying.
Exactly. Be brave, be curious, and most importantly, be kind to yourself.
You are doing great. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep smiling.
If you haven't subscribed yet, please do it now so you don't miss our next conversation.
And share this with one person today. Let's grow our community of learners.
Thank you so much for being here with us today.
We really appreciate your time and your energy.
Until next time, keep talking.
And remember, you can do it.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye. See you soon.